Now let's consider division. We just looked at arithmetic division in the previous video. We're going to look at division arithmetic now, or division operators, forgive me for that. So now the task is the provided code stub reads two integers a and b from standard input, add logic to print two lines. So the first line should contain the result of integer division, and the second line should contain the result of float division a and b. No rounding or formatting is necessary. So I'm going to pause, and you should pause. I encourage you to pause this video at this point to try and solve it on your own before I go ahead with my solution. Now, the answer. Okay. Now we submit it. And there you have it. That's how you solve the division operators challenge on Hackerrank. So let's go to the next challenge.